Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute. I've only been posting videos once a week, and to be honest with you guys, between creating my podcast and just a lot of work I've been having, my anxiety flared up a little bit, which is why I decided to do this 13 things you can do to enjoy the right now video. I, along with my therapist, actually found out that when I'm feeling present and feeling grounded, then I actually do a lot better emotionally. So today I wanted to share with you guys some things that you can do to sort of feel more like alive and present in the moment. And so let's get right into it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my stuff, and let's get right into it. Thing number one is to plant something. There's nothing like connecting with nature, and planting something, whether it be something to eat or some flowers, is a great way to do that. I'm actually planting some, I don't know how to say it in English. In Portuguese, it's salsa. They're just like these herbs that you can put on your food. I will caption it. And I'm planting some tomatoes as well. Thing number two is to walk barefoot on grass. I have no idea why this is so therapeutic, but let me know in the comments if you agree. There's just something really special about walking barefoot on grass that makes me feel like super present and connected to nature. Thing number three is to play with a dog. Dogs are really good at living in the moment and being present, so if you just spend some time engaging with them, it's really easy to do the same thing. My dog loves playing fetch. Thing number four is to listen to your favorite music. It's scientifically proven that music can influence your mood, either in a good way or a bad way if you're listening to sad songs. So I highly recommend that you spend some time listening to your favorite music. Thing number five is to watch the sunrise or the sunset. There's nothing like feeling like you're the first one to wake up, or, one of the last people to be outside at night. And so I find it very therapeutic. Thing number six is to paint something. Again, I don't know why, but being creative really allows me to be in the moment and just focus directly on what's in front of me, in this case, like a canvas and paint. But for you, this could be drawing or, whatever you like. And then number seven is kind of on the same category, where it's just to take pictures of beautiful things around you, because that really forces you to look around and find beautiful things around you. Thing number eight is to sit in silence and just listen to your surroundings, especially if you can find somewhere where you're not going to be disturbed in nature. Then you can either take some time to meditate or just sit in the sun and allow yourself to just breathe. Thing number nine is to eat some fresh fruit. In this case, I'm eating a nice little apple outside, which my dog also loves, so I share it with him once I'm done with my part of it. But eating some fresh fruit can be really, really, reinvigorating. Is that a word? Thing number 10 is to run ice on your wrists and forehead. There's science behind this. If you want to find out why, look it up. But especially when I'm feeling extra anxious, it's something that really sort of brings me back to the moment and makes me focus on those points. Thing number 11 is to be childlike. Just do some cartwheels, run around with your dogs or your kids. Just really embrace those really nice things about being a kid, the freedom that comes with it. Thing number 12 is to play in the rain. I don't know why this feels so good, but if you don't necessarily like getting wet in the rain, just sit outside near a window when it's raining and just listen to the raindrops. And finally, thing number 13 is to pick some wildflowers for your home. I know it's not necessarily the nicest thing to be going out and picking flowers, but these particular flowers, for example, grow everywhere, and bringing one into your home is not going to be the end of the world. Just be really cautious of where you pick them from and mindful that you don't take more than you need. And that concludes today's video. I hope this helps some of you guys feel calmer and more relaxed. And if it did, please don't forget to leave me a little thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to hear some of the things you guys do when you need to feel a little more grounded and present. So please leave me some comments down below with some suggestions. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!